We are the Powerpuff Group, and we're going to discuss about the New Age movement.
These adaptations were extremely successful. By the end of the 1970s, Eastern beliefs had become popular throughout North America and Western Europe. This growing interest in adopted Eastern religions is often called the New Age movement.
So what's Gnosticism?
Gnosticism is an effect per Christian system offering salvation through secret knowledge.
Ancient Gnosticism existed before the time of Christ. It was multifaceted and complex system. Instead of having its own clear hierarchy and institutions, Gnosticism simply attached itself to existing religions, and it induced their structures to promote itself by blurring distinctions between its beliefs and theirs.
In Eastern religions, New Age movement draws its religious beliefs from many sources. It derives the core of its spirituality from Eastern religions, primarily Hinduism and Buddhism.
Hindu pantheism believes that everything is one, or Brahman, and one is God. The goal in this life is to discover oneness and divinity of all things. We are to discover the divinity within us. We must realize that we are God. And by that, recognizing that all things is one and being absorbed into one is called nirvana. So how do we achieve nirvana?
It takes thousands of reincarnation before we finally attain a higher consciousness that enables us to recognize the divinity and oneness of everything. But luckily, there is a shortcut to nirvana. You can learn the secret of wisdom, descended masters, or avatars. These are beings who have attained nirvana but are allowed to make contact with this world in order to teach us how to shorten the reincarnation process through a special enlightenment.
So what is reincarnation?
Reincarnation is the view that a person's soul comes back to inhabit another body.
Now, let's move on to modern philosophy.
Now let us start to the philosophy of Spinoza in modern philosophy.
Now, let's talk about idealism.
Now, let's move on to modern psychology.
Modern psychology is a legitimate and useful discipline. Many disturbances of the mind are helped by good psychology. Our concern here is with a movement within modern psychology that departed from sound principles and ultimately become fertile soil for New Age beliefs. This movement is commonly known as the Human Potential Movement.
We will look at some of the psychological beliefs of forerunners of the human potential movement.
Then who is Carl Jung? Then who is Wilhelm Reich?